You've heard the claims: quit masturbation, and you'll gain superpowers, confidence, focus, energy, and maybe even physical strength. Sounds great, but let's look at what science actually says. The NoFap movement blew up online because guys felt drained, anxious, addicted to constant stimulation. So they quit cold turkey. And yeah, many felt a sudden energy spike. But that's not magic. That's your dopamine system finally catching its breath. When you stop constant stimulation, your brain starts producing dopamine normally again. You feel more focused because your reward system is no longer fried, not because you unlocked new powers. Testosterone does rise slightly after a few days of abstinence, but it levels off again. There's no long-term hormone boost proven by research. When you commit to NoFap, you often sleep better, train harder, eat cleaner. Those habits, not the abstinence itself, rebuild your energy and confidence. The truth? You're not superhuman. You're finally normal again. You've stopped flooding your brain with cheap rewards, so real-life motivation starts working. That's why you feel powerful. Your focus, confidence, and drive are finally under your control. But here's the catch. If you don't replace the habit with purpose, it comes back. The goal isn't never touch yourself again. It's rewiring your brain to seek real achievement instead of constant dopamine hits. So no, NoFap won't make you superhuman, but it can help you become a balanced, high-energy version of yourself again, if you pair it with better sleep, real goals, and movement. Follow Human Code for more truths about hormones, focus, and human behavior.